Hello everyone, in this video we are going to compare Sony WH-1000XM5 versus AirPods Pro 2. Specifications. XM5 is of type over-ear closed dynamic. AirPods Pro 2 is of type in-ear and closed. Driver size in XM5 is 30 mm. Driver size in AirPods Pro 2 is custom high excursion driver. Weight of XM5 is approx 250 grams. Weight of AirPods Pro 2 is 5.3 grams each earbud. Frequency response of XM5 is 4 watts to 40,000 Hz. Frequency response of AirPods Pro 2 is not specified but supports special audio. Impedance of XM5 is 48 ohm wired and 16 ohm wireless. Impedance of AirPods Pro 2 is not specified. Connectivity of Bluetooth in XM5 is 5.2. Connectivity of Bluetooth in AirPods Pro 2 is 5.3. Water resistance in XM5 is none. Water resistance in AirPods Pro 2 is IP54. Sweat and water resistance. Battery life. Battery life when NC is on in XM5 is up to 30 hours. Battery life when NC is on in AirPods Pro 2 is up to 6 hours per charge. Battery life when NC is off in XM5 is up to 40 hours. Battery life when NC is off in AirPods Pro 2 is up to 30 hours total with charging case. Charge time of XM5 is approx 3.5 hours. Charge time in AirPods Pro 2 is 5 minutes in case provides about 1 hour of use. Sound quality. Sound quality of XM5 is excellent sound quality with deep bass and clear highs. Sound quality of AirPods Pro 2 is balanced sound in with adaptive EQ that adjusts frequencies based on fit. Audio enhancement. In XM5, features DSEE Extreme for upscaling compressed audio. Audio enhancement in AirPods Pro 2 offers personalized special audio with dynamic head tracking for an immersive experience. Immersive experience in XM5 supports 360 reality audio for immersive sound experiences. Immersive experience in AirPods Pro 2 provides an immersive experience with personalized special audio. Detail and clarity. In XM5, detailed sound with good audio separation. Some users note a warm profile with recessed mids. Detail and clarity in AirPods Pro 2. Clear and balanced sound, particularly effective for immersive audio experiences. Comfort and fit. XM5 design is over-ear design, provides good passive noise isolation. Design of AirPods Pro is in-ear design with silicone tips available in multiple sizes for a customizable fit. Padding material in XM5 utilizes soft fit leather padding for enhanced comfort during long listening sessions. Padding material in AirPods Pro 2 silicone tips provide a snug fit and comfort adjustable for different ear sizes. Comfort for glasses wearers. XM5 is comfortable for users who wear glasses. Minimal pressure reported during extended use. Comfort for glasses wearers. In the AirPods Pro 2 is generally comfortable for most users, but fit may vary based on ear shape and size. Overall comfort in XM5 is designed for long hours of use without discomfort. Some users report a slightly heavy feel. Overall comfort in AirPods Pro 2 is comfortable for extended wear. Lightweight design reduces fatigue. Active noise cancellation. Active noise cancellation in XM5 is industry-leading ANC performance, effectively blocking out ambient noise. Active noise cancellation in AirPods Pro 2 is excellent ANC capabilities, adjustable with a transparency mode for situational awareness. Adaptive features of XM5 features adaptive sound control that adjusts noise cancellation based on environment. Adaptive features of AirPods Pro 2 are enhanced by the Apple H2 chip for improved performance, automatically adjust to ambient noise levels. Conclusion. Overall performance of XM5 is best suited for users who prioritize sound quality, better life, and comfort during long listening sessions. Overall performance of AirPods Pro 2 is best for users integrated into the Apple ecosystem, offering seamless connectivity and features like Siri integration. Ideal use case of XM5 is ideal for travel and commuting due to its effective ANC and over-ear design. Ideal use case of AirPods Pro 2 is great for on-the-go use thanks to their compact design and water resistance. Ecosystem capability of XM5 works well with both Android and iOS devices, offering flexibility across platforms. Ecosystem capability of AirPods Pro 2 is optimized for Apple devices, providing a seamless experience for iOS and Mac OS users. Sound quality focus of XM5 focuses on audiophile sound quality and immersive listening experiences. Sound quality focus in AirPods Pro 2 emphasizes spatial audio and integration with Apple Music and other services. Portability of XM5 is bulkier due to over-ear design, less portable for casual use. Portability of AirPods Pro 2 is compact and lightweight, making them easy to carry and use throughout the day. Thanks for watching the video. Do like, comment and share our video. Subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for upcoming videos.